Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to screencast your mobile in Kali Linux. First of all, open the terminal. To get the libraries which you need to connect your device to the Kali Linux, should install these libraries by clicking the command. Here ADB. After installing these libraries, we need to get a 7 square master zip from the Git libraries. wget. After clicking the command, click enter. The zip file was downloaded. Now we have to unzip the downloaded file. The unzip was completed. Now move to the 7 square master folder. After entering into the folder, make the files in that folder ready by clicking make command for installing. Now to install the master zip, click sudo make install. Now we have to remove the downloaded zip file. Now the zip was deleted. Now connect the USB to your device. Now we will see how to enable developer in mobile phone. First click on settings, then search for additional settings, then search for developer options. Now click on USB debugging mode. Hello, okay. Run the command. A window is prompted. Your device is casting now. See how it works. Thank you friends for watching my video.